Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 5 first impressions video. These are 5 products that I've never tried out before. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell. And if you want to see me test out some new products, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I am doing a 5 first impressions. As you can see, my eyes are done, my foundation and concealer are on. I'm trying to bust out a bunch of videos today. I also have a ton of new products that I need to use up and try in some videos. So this is going to be a 5 first impressions. I have some products right here that I'm excited to try out. So the first thing I'm going to be trying out, this is the LA Girl Pro Face HD Matte Pressed Powder. I got the shade Classic Ivory. This is what the packaging looks like. That looks like a pretty good. Comes with a little sponge right there, a little mirror. I'm trying to think if that's light enough to go under my eyes. I think it is, so I'm gonna try that under my eyes to set this concealer really quick, and then I probably will use it to set the rest of my face. I hate when I go to put powder on under my eyes and it darkens it, kind of like that just did. Dang. I was really hoping it'd be light enough. Yeah, I do think that that darkened under my eyes. That sucks. I really thought that that was going to be light enough. Look how light that is. Then I'm just going to take my Morphe E41 and dip into that. Whoa. And set the rest of my face. Powders I'm actually not too picky about. I think there's only like one powder that I've ever tried that I absolutely hated. And that was the Makeup Revolution baking powder in Ghost. Oh my gosh, that one looked horrible. And this is a mattifying powder, which I'm more dry right now. I don't know why I got so much matte. So many matte products. My face looks pink and my skin looks more olive toned. What is wrong? I definitely picked a foundation that I think is too light for me, so ignore that. Definitely gonna have to bronze the skin up quite a bit. So first I am going to contour. If it's not a first impressions, I'm just gonna tell you what I'm doing and then quickly go through that and just move on to the next first impression product. So I'm gonna take the Smashbox Holidays Contour and Spotlight Palette. I did kind of use this in a first impressions video I just used, but I forgot about it until the end, so I'm just going to try that out again. I'm going to be taking this contour shade right here. I'm going to take the Luxie Pro Precision Face Brush. I used this for the first time in that first impressions video. I actually really liked how this was to contour. I thought it contoured really well. It was really easy to contour with, surprisingly. I'm just gonna build that up. It's such a weird shape. It's very dense and small, and it's a very short brush, and it's angled. It's a very interesting brush, but it works really well. And I'm just kind of using tapping motions to blend that out. I think that contour actually looks really nice. Then I'm gonna take this Eco Tools multitasking powder brush, and I picked up another new bronzer. I got the NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Light. So this is what the bronzer looks like. Like I've told you guys, if you've been around for a while, I have basically used the same 2 bronzers for like ever. And I've been wanting to try out new ones. This is really powdery. It has a lot of kickback. That's pretty pigmented. I think I'm gonna contour my nose with that contour palette. I feel like that bronzer might be a little too intense. Okay, I think I'm gonna try this brush. I couldn't find my normal one. I just washed all my brushes. Holy cow, that was like a task and a half. Because I just, over the holidays, just let them build up. But this is the Luxie brush I got in BoxyCharm. Came in like a little set and they're all like gold glitter, which is really cute. That, and then I just go over that with my powder brush to kind of tone it down. I really like that contour palette. I'm excited to keep using it. That bronzer is really nice. It's light. It blended out easily. I really had to tap it off. It was very powdery, but I think it looks good on the skin. Ignore my frizzy, crazy hair. Then I have the Midi palette Toasted Cashmere from Ofra. So this has, oh, this one has a bronzer in it too. So this has a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. I already own this highlighter. This is Rodeo Drive. I love this highlighter. It is so beautiful. It's one of my favorites. I always grab it when I want a really pop-in highlight. That one is amazing. So I was okay with getting this, even though I already have the highlighter, just because I know that it's really good and I'm like okay with having a backup of that. I forgot that it had bronzer in it. I really could have used that, but I'm gonna go in to this blush. It looks like it has a little bit of a sheen to it. So this is the shade Cheer. So I'm gonna take this little Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush and dip in to that. See, that's like barely even powdery after that bronzer. Wow. That was so dark. Frick. Taking that powder brush and just trying to chill that blush out a little bit, because it looks beautiful blended out, and look how intense that is. Oh my gosh, and I didn't even put that much on there. I've never tried Ofra's blushes. I've really only tried eyeshadow, but just like a couple that I got from BoxyCharm, highlighter, and their liquid lipsticks. Let me know what products you guys own from Ofra that you love, because this is another brand that I never like look at when I'm shopping for makeup. I'm not like, oh, Ofra, what do they have that's new? Like, I don't know why, I just never pick that. When I chilled that blush out though, it looks very pretty. I just can't believe how intense that was. Okay, the next first impressions that I'm trying, this is the LA Girl Strobing Powder in 50 watt. I actually haven't tried a ton of stuff from LA Girl either, so let's dip into this. Oh, that's nice. Look, it's not too powdery. I feel like that's been the theme of today, is powdery. I'm just taking that on my Morphe M510. Now, I don't remember if I've heard good things about this. Wow, look how pretty that is. And it's actually not too dark. I thought it was going to be too dark on me, but it's not. It looks very pretty. Wow, look how pretty that is. It's emphasizing a little bit of my texture, but not too much. When that happens, I usually just tap over it with my sponge, and that gets it to melt into the skin a little bit more. Also, when I spray my face with my setting spray, that always kind of helps melt everything together. Okay, I like that highlight. I love that highlight. Okay guys, and the last first impressions for this video is this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick set. I bought this because I'd never tried her bullet lipsticks. These are the colors right here that it comes with. So it has Soft Pink, Kiss, Spice, and Dead Roses. I think I'm gonna go with Spice because of my eye look. But I've never tried these. I think this was around $20 for these 4 minis. And bullet lipsticks, I mainly buy liquid lipsticks. I love my Lorac highly pigmented lipsticks. Those are my favorite. I love those so much. Like, I use those all the time. But if I'm not using that, then I'm usually using a liquid lipstick. I love the little package that this came in. It's so cute. But I just pulled all these out. And I've never tried this formula before, so I'm excited. Look how tiny these are. Oh my gosh, they're just so cute. So I'm gonna go in with Spice. They're so tiny. Oh, that's gonna go so perfect, I think, with my look. So I'll show you the other one. So this is Kiss. This is what that looks like. Right there. That's a very nice, that looks like a very nice everyday pinky nude. And then this is Soft Pink. Right there, a lot more pinky than this one up here. They're so cute. I can't believe how tiny these are. Then this is the shade Roses. Oh, this is the shade Dead Roses. Ooh, I love that. Oh, I really like that one. I actually really like all of these. These are all really good, kind of everyday pinky colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Spice, which I can swatch it next to the other ones first. Right there. Yeah. Okay guys, and this is the lipstick on. It went on really nicely. It feels very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel too drying. It actually doesn't even look that matte right now. We will see. I'm gonna go finish up my eye look really quick, and I will be right back to give you my first thoughts on all of these first impressions. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is what my makeup looks like now. I think it looks really good. It looks really pretty. I'm just gonna go through and tell you what I think about each one. So the first thing I tested out was the LA Girl Pro Face powder. This powder is very powdery. It has a ton of kickback, a ton. It's very affordable, so if it works good, I don't see kickback really being an issue. I think it went on good. I think this shade, which was Classic Ivory, I feel like this is a little too dark to go under my eyes. I think it darkened my concealer quite a bit actually. Set the rest of my face really nicely. I think it looks really good. It doesn't feel tacky at all, so that is good. I'm going to continue to test this out. Like I said, face powders, I don't really have a ton of issues with them. I'm not too picky about that. The next thing I tested out was the, oh my gosh, I hate packaging like that where it gets all gross, is the NYX Matte Bronzer. This bronzer actually had a ton of kickback as well, and I had to tap off my brush quite a bit, or I feel like I was gonna ruin my makeup. It did go on. It was very pigmented, so I would suggest dipping in, tapping your brush out, and going in lightly, but I think it looks really good. Then I tested out the blush in this Over palette. That blush is intense. Holy cow, I didn't even think I put that much on my brush, and it was like pink, like bright pink on my cheeks. I was able to blend it out with my powder brush, sheer it out a little bit, and make it look a little less noticeable, but it was really nice. It was really pigmented. I also love the highlighter in this. I did not use that today because I already have it, but I do really love that, and I will test out this bronzer in another video. I didn't even think that there was a bronzer in here. Then I tested out the LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder. This is beautiful. It is a beautiful highlight. I really, really like it. I don't think it emphasizes my texture too much. It didn't have a lot of kickback, so that was nice. I actually think that it looks really nice. It's like a really good highlighter. I'm excited. I'm gonna see if they have more shades of this. This is the shade 50 Watt. So I thought also it was going to be too dark on my skin. In the pan, it looks a lot darker than it is. Shows up a lot brighter on the skin, so that is nice. And then the last first impressions I tested out was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Spice, and I really, really like it. It's very comfortable. It doesn't feel too drying. You can see the lines in my lips a little bit, not too crazy. So I'm excited to test out more of those lipsticks. I think this one's beautiful. I think it went on super easy. It was easy to put on. It was easy to draw my outline. Very comfortable. It does transfer just a little bit, not too much, but it is a bullet lipstick, so but it feels like it's gonna stay put, so that is nice. So basically, I liked everything that I tried today. I love when I do first impression videos and all of the products work for me, because I mean, who likes spending money on product that don't work for you? So I'm super excited. I think everything was a hit so far. I will do an update video later. I'll try to do like a roundup update video of some of the new products I've been testing to give you my thoughts on all of these newer products that I have picked up. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I upload 3 every week. I am filming a foundation wear test, and I did film this eye look, so I will link those down below if they're already up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.